should you say, fancy seeing you here. I know when you start stitching on a sewing machine, it can be daunting, but if you know how to drive, it's just the same thing. The way you step on the pedals, the same way you use the automatic sewing machine. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm happy you're here. This is class 3 of my series. We will be learning how to use the sewing machine today, where we actually switch it on and use it. So for this class, we will start with paper, where you will learn how to control your sewing. You will learn how to maneuver on the sewing machine using a piece of paper. These pieces of paper can find them online and download them. If you need a template of this paper, you can head off to my website www.cutstudio.com.au, where you can download these templates and have a play with them, have a play on your machine to get more stitching skills and more stitching confidence on your own sewing machine. If you're interested, let's jump right in and I'll show you how to use it. So for this tutorial, we will be using paper. So we will put our machine on very slow. And what I need you to do is to follow the lines whilst you're stitching, and make sure that your machine is not threaded, because we don't need any thread for this first lesson. Take that down. We'll start this nice and slow. So all you're doing is following the line. Just follow the line, that's it. Follow the line. Okay, we're getting to the curve. Take your time. And this is when you use your maneuvering skills by moving the fabric round. Okay, remember my machine is moving at its slowest pace. And that's it. Now it's the time to see what I've done. So if you look closely at my stitching, I did miss the line a couple of times. See that? I definitely got it there. But even as you stitch, you will miss the line from time to time. It doesn't matter how often you have to do this. So please download the free templates that I've got for you to go and practice your stitching from my website, where you can do zigzags and curves and circles and all kinds of lines to kind of give you that confidence to continue working with your patterns. And that's the end of today's lesson. But this is a really good training for you to start off before you actually go on to sewing actual garments. So there you have it. It was very easy. All you need to do is to stay in the lines. But with these machines, over time, it becomes so easy that you don't even have to stress every time you switch on the machine. But I hope you had so much fun, because I did. I had to revisit my sewing skills today. And it just goes to show that you can never be perfect. So don't stop yourself or limit yourself because you don't think you're perfect enough. I've been doing this for so long, but I still have crooked lines, which clearly is in the video. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like these videos. Don't forget to comment below so that we can have the conversation going. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, I am open to those. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye!